In this video, I'll show you how to use the Gamma AI referral program to earn more credits for your projects. Let's get started. I'll begin by reviewing the official guidelines to understand how the credit system works. I can see here that as a free user, I can hold up to 2,000 credits at any given time. The most effective way to boost my balance is by referring others. For every friend who signs up using my link, I'll receive 200 credits. The documentation provides a quick visual guide, but I'll show you how to do this directly from the workspace. Now I'll head back to my Gamma dashboard. In the top right corner of the screen, I click on my current credit balance to open the account summary. From this menu, I'll select the Refer a Friend tab. Here, it clearly states that both I and the person I invite will earn 200 credits upon their successful sign-up. To grab my unique link, I simply click Copy Referral Link. A notification appears at the bottom confirming the link is now on my clipboard and ready to be shared. If I want to collaborate more closely, I can also click on the Invite a Teammate option. This allows me to bring people directly into my specific workspace, and the same 200 credit bonus applies once they join. I'll click Copy Workspace Invite to save that link as well. It's a very straightforward process that helps me keep my account topped up for more AI-generated content. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to use the Gamma AI referral program to earn credits. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.